students, class 9, example sum 2.28, express in scientific notation. The given number we have to write in the scientific notation. First I choose the first Roman number 9768854 is given. So we have after the end of the point, surely we have one decimal places, right? So we want to convert this decimal places to the only one digit, right? We have to change this decimal places to the first number. In scientific notation means we have to mention in the form of 10 to the power of, right? We have to convert the 10 to the power of whatever the number, right? Either 4 or 5 or 6, whatever may be. See how many digit we have moving here, that should be 10 to the power of moving left side. So the decimal place is moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this term is equal to 9.768854. So the decimal place is moved to 6. So 10 to the power of 6. It moves to the left side. Now 10 to the power of 6 is nothing but, right? This is the value of 10 to the power of 6, right? If you multiply this value with the number, we get the same numbers, right? So whenever we are moving the decimal place to the left side, the value must be positive. 10 to the power of 6, that value must be positive. If you move to the left to right, if you move to the right hand side means the power will be negative. Let's see the second Roman number 0.04567891 is the given number. Now we want to change it to, we have to leave only one point, only one number after we have to put the decimal places. So we have to change this 1, 2. So this term is equal to 4.567891 into 10 to the power of, the decimal place is moving to the right side, moving to the right side. So we have minus 2, 10 to the power of minus 2. 10 to the power of minus 2 is nothing but 10 to the power of 2. 1 divided by 10 to the power of 2. 1 divided by 10 to the power of 2, 10 square is nothing but 100, right? So this number is divided by 100 means the decimal place is moving to this side. So we get that answer, right? So first one, the decimal place is moving to left side, we get positive. If you move to the right side, we get negative value. Now third Roman number 72006865.48. We have to convert into decimal. Scientific notation means we have to change the decimal place to the first number. The first number is 7 point. How many places it have changed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places it have changed. So this number is 10 to the power of 7. It moving to the left side, we have positive value, that is 7 point. The number is 200686548. The decimal places is moved to 7 places to 10 to the power of minus 7. The decimal place is moving to left hand side. We have positive value. Thank you, students. Hi students, example sum 2.29. Write the following number in decimal form. The given form is in that scientific notation. We have to convert the scientific notation to a decimal form. 6.34 into 10 to the power of 4. Here 10 to the power of 4 means that is 10 into 10 into 10. So this is the value of 10 to the power of 4. If you multiply this number with 10,000, we get 6.34 into 10,000 means we have to multiply means then we get 4 decimal places after this point, right? 4 places after the decimal places. 34200 point. This is the value, right? So 363400. If you multiply this number, you get 63400. Here we have 4 numbers. Here we have 2 decimal places, right? After 2 decimal places, we have to put the point means 63400 is the answer. So we get 4 zeros after 2 decimal places means we put the point here. So we get 63400 is the answer. So when you have the positive value 10 to the power of 4 will be a positive value means it moves to the right hand side. Suppose it is negative value means, see the second Roman number, we have 2.00367 into 10 to the power of minus 5. 10 to the power of minus 5 means we have to convert it into 10 to the power of 5. 1 divided by 10 to the power of 5. Because in power we have negative means reciprocal the term we get positive value. So 10 to the power of 5 means we get lakh, right? That is 1 lakh. So this number is divided by 1 lakh. 1 divided by 10 to the power of 5. Right? This number is divided by 10 to the power of lakh means here the decimal places is moved to 5 places, right? 5 places means first 0.1, 2, 3, 4 and then 2, right? 0, 0, 3, 6, 7. This is the value. If we divide this number by 1 lakh means we get that the decimal place is moving to one of the sides, right? When we divide, the decimal place is moving to left hand side. Moving to left hand side. If you multiple, the decimal place is moving to right hand side. So this is the answer. Thank you, students. Student, class 9, example sum 2.30. The mass of earth is 5.97 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. And that of the moon is 0.073 into 10 to the power of 24 kg. What is their total mass? We have to add the two values. Now the earth is given and moon is given. We want to find out the total mass. Total mass is equal to 5.97 into 10 to the power of 24 plus 0.073 into 10 to the power of 24. We have to add the two masses. See, 10 to the power of 24 is common in both the terms. So if you take commonly outside the 10 to the power of 24, here we have 5.97 plus 0.073. Then sum of this number is equal to, see, we want to add this number, that is 5.97. Here 0.073 is the number. The decimal place must be equal, then only you can add. So this is 3. 7 plus 7 is 14, 4 remainder 1. Here we have 0, that is 6 point. So 6.043 into 10 to the power of 24 is the total mass of the earth and moon. Thank you, students.